these falls, everyone. It is cold, overcast, and rainy. So it's unfortunate, but it's a beautiful area to visit. It does say caution, slippery rocks, no swimming, turbulent water, supervised children. And I know the rocks are slippery because I actually stepped on one and almost slipped. At the beginning of the falls, even though it's overcast and rainy, it's beautiful here. For as long as humans have inhabited this area, they have been attracted by the falls. Rumors about the falls drew early American explorers. The sounds of the falls could once be heard for several miles around. The sounds, smells, sights of water crashing against the rocks, entertaining visitors, bringing them closer to nature. The falls have inspired letters and poetry. They have been the subject of paintings, postcards, and photographs. It really is amazing how strong water can be carving through rock. This is such a wonderful spot. There's the visitor center right across the way. There's actually a lot to see here, so definitely worth a visit. We are trying to head to warmer climates, so we did end up splitting ways and saying goodbye to Eric. Well, we're saying bye-bye.
Bye, Moo-moo. I may see you on down the road, okay? But you got to go find some warmer climates. It's just too cold for the puppy, okay?
It is.
Okay. You guys be good.
All right, see you later.
Onward Bound.
But we do plan on meeting him later after he gets done with what he needs to do. We're just going to meet him further south. I just filled up on gas and stopped in that convenience store and grabbed something to eat. That's the problem with actually traveling, is that you go to something that's fast and not necessarily healthy. So yes, I got some fried chicken, definitely not healthy, and some mac and cheese. Ooh, potato wedge with mayonnaise on it. I love potato wedges, so good. You just have to control it, not all the time. Every once in a while it's okay, but like I said, when you're traveling, you try to find something quick, and not always the best idea. I will say though, there at that convenience store, I don't necessarily need ice because I have a 12-volt refrigerator, but some people out there that go with the ice method and the cooler, at some truck stops or even gas stations, they do give you free ice. It said there, if you bring in your cup, the ice is free, but if you take one of our cups, then it's 29 cents, which is pretty cool. I will say that I did have fun and I enjoyed myself. It was great hanging out with Eric again and checking out a few campsites, but I am definitely ready for some warmer weather. So south it is. Who's the good girl? Stretch it. Not gonna shake it off? Oh, there you go. So we have driven a couple hundred miles, well actually several hundred miles, and we've gotten here to the Diamond Joe Casino. This casino is located right on the border of Iowa and South Dakota. It's right across the street from the Welcome Center, and they do allow overnight parking at the Welcome Center. I just believe you have to ask for permission. And I know there is overnight parking here at the casinos for a couple days. They do just ask that you go in and get a player's card and spend money. They do have an incentive for you. If you do spend money here, they give you the free buffet, which is awesome. I'm probably gonna take advantage of that. Now the overnighting is in the rear parking lot of the casino. I'm parked here in the front of the casino right now. I'm just getting some editing done and getting a few things done, answering some comments. But I am going to go inside and check out the casino here in a few. It is still cold here in Iowa where we're located. I am hoping for warmer weather, but I'm sure that's not till we get further south. But at least it's not raining, because on our journey here, it was raining so much and it was just miserable because you're stuck inside all day. Although I am in an RV and there are things for me to do. I can always watch TV or play video games, but I do like to get out, and it's hard to do that when the weather sucks, it's rainy, or it's even the cold weather makes it hard to get out and explore. Corn on the cob door handles, that's awesome.
I won't let you go.
my God, look at their desserts. That looks yummy. That's the best dessert I've ever seen at a buffet.
And then they even have red velvet
Yeah.
and carrot cake.
Oh, that's your favorite.
That's my fave. Yeah. Yummy.
So we did end up getting the free buffet. Yay, time to eat. So much food, food everywhere. I'm gonna start slow and work my way up. Everything looks yummy so far. Now plate 2 definitely looks really yummy. How are y'all enjoying yours?
That's a whole lot of carbs.
Mine was awesome.
I don't know what that word means.
You will be going nighty-night.
And
Yeah.
that's the plan, right?
Yeah, that is the plan.
I'm over here eating my beets.
I had some beets on my first plate.
Yes, you did.
Now it's some Asian food. Well, besides the bowl of chili. That looks good. What you laughing about?
Well, you went to, where'd you go? America,
Been almost around the world.
Asia, and now you're going to go international.
Well, I did some international. I did pasta.
Oh, okay.
Oh my God, the Asian balls are awesome. Literally, they're really good.
Only you can get away with that, girl.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Yes, you do.
Alright, that's it. This is all I can handle. Okay, I lied. I'm eating more dessert. Oh my God, I can't stop. I had Oreo whipped cream and some ice cream. So they definitely do have like a country home theme going on here. The kitchen buffet, that's where we just ate. Their sign is actually an old water tower. How is this possible? I think it's gotten colder. Oh my God. And it's still fall. It definitely feels like winter. Go away, coldness, go away. It's time to move Panda. Like I said, the parking for RVs is in the rear. Moo-moo was a good girl. Oh, yes. She's just enjoying the furnace. Because it is warm in here. It feels nice. It's cold as crap outside. Moo-moo, you need to go outside? I fed her before I left, so she probably does. Okay, go out into the coldness. Go. Go outside. Just squeeze through there. Alright, I'm watching you. Go pee-pee real quick, okay? Did you go pee-pee? Good girl. Come on, inside. What's a good girl? Moo-moo is? Yes. Shake. Shake. Good girl. So delicate. Shake. Yeah, that's what I mean. It's just so miserable out there. So cold, you just don't even want to be outside. And, you know, cold doesn't bother me. It's the wind. The wind just kind of rips right through you. I'm going to go ahead and move to the back where Terry and Scott are. Back corner here is where the RVs are parking. And the reason why they put the RVs back here that way, if you want to park sideways or you need to park sideways, you can, which is nice. They said it was allowed back here. They didn't mind if you park sideways. And I'm going to, because that way I can let Moo-moo out easier since my front door will be right by the grass. I'll be right behind Terry and Scott. Oh, look at all the corn. Oh, that's what the Children of the Corn is. They were talking about that earlier. Yeah. Yep, that definitely reminds me of Children of the Corn. Well, nighttime is upon us, and Moo-moo is over visiting Terry and Scott for a little bit just to get out of this rig. The temperatures definitely are dropping. I'm getting ready to cut my Mr. Buddy heater on. I cut the furnace off and just chill for the rest of the night. I want to thank y'all for hanging out with me today, and hopefully we'll see you in the next video. But until then, stay safe and onward bound. I love y'all out there. Mwah. Bye for now.